wagon wheel up next to the spokes. And put it on that cone. It's a metal cone. It's for making round. You see how it stays there?